Welcome. Today, we'll explore how to use JavaScript to dynamically split values into two groups based on a given predicate function. This method allows you to efficiently organize data into categories. Let's dive in. This problem focuses on dividing elements into two categories based on whether they satisfy a given condition or not. The program uses reduce to process the input array and sort elements into two groups. If the predicate function returns true for an element, it goes to the first group. Otherwise, it goes into the second group. This approach uses a structured process, starting with two empty groups and dynamically assigning elements as it iterates through the array. This table illustrates how the function works for various inputs and predicate functions. You can see how the predicate dynamically categorizes elements into two groups. This implementation leverages ES6 features like arrow functions and the powerful reduce method for concise and efficient code. This technique is versatile and widely applicable in areas like data analysis, filtering systems, and categorization tasks. In summary, this JavaScript function is a simple and effective way to segment data dynamically. It's both flexible and efficient, making it a valuable tool in many scenarios. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I will see you in the next one.